rebellious bird that nobody can tame, and it is in vain that one calls it, if it pleases to refuse. Nothing does, threat or prayer. One speaks well, the other is silent. It is the other that I prefer. He has said nothing but he pleases me. Love, 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 love. The bird you thought you caught beat its wings and flew away. Love is far away, you can wait for it. You do not expect it anymore. It is there, all around you, fast, fast. It comes, goes, then comes back. You think you hold it, it flees from you. You think you flee, it holds you. Love, 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 love. Love is a gypsy child. It has never, never known love. Love me not, and I love you. And if I love you,